How to make six figures flipping bikes, step by step. Hey gang, this is Mike with My Real Estate Dojo, and I'm Mr. No Fluff. And today I'm going to show you how to make six figures flipping bicycles. Yep, you heard me right, flipping bicycles. Now, explain that you only need $100 to do this venture, to start this business or side hustle, however you want to position yourself. $100. Now, if you look around today or tomorrow, there's a lot of people that ride bikes, from kids to high schoolers to college to adults, senior citizens, everyone, families. So the bike business is $1 billion industry. Okay. And what I have discovered and what I'm sharing with you today is one section of the industry, which is what I call motivated sellers. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best six-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content. So what are motivated sellers? Motivated sellers are people that must sell their bike because they're financially motivated or they're emotionally motivated. Those are the only two reasons someone is motivated, okay? Now, the same thing happens in real estate. The same thing happens with cars, with motorcycles. So what I'm going to show you right now, the step by step, you can take it in real estate wholesaling, finding seller financing, buying cars, buying mobile trailers, whatever. The idea is exactly the same, because what I'm going to teach you right now is the most important skills to get to find amazing deals in your life. If you want to take it to the business level, if you want to just do a personal level, which is dealing with motivated sellers. And motivated sellers are two types: people that are financially motivated or emotionally motivated. Now, in bicycles, what does it mean that a seller is motivated and they're financially motivated? Pretty simple. They got to pay the rent. They don't got the money. They got to pay the light bill. They don't got the money. They need the money ASAP. Okay? Now, what does it mean that if the bike seller is emotionally motivated? That means that, for example, they got a new bike and they don't have space for this bike anymore. Or they are moving to a different state and they need to just get rid of this thing. Okay? It's not about money. They just need to get rid of it. You're like, I got to get out of here. Okay? So a emotionally motivated bicycle seller is someone that doesn't need the bike, that's getting divorced, that is moving to a different state, that they need this thing gone. They don't have room for it anymore. They're tired of it, and they just want to get rid of it. Both of these type of sellers are what I call motivated sellers, and there's massive, massive profits to be made for motivated sellers. Now, what I teach, what I call the new flip, okay, is how to find motivated sellers in your backyard and negotiate a deep, deep discount to buy their bikes for 10 cents on the dollar. So, for example, if they want the bike for $500, then I'm only paying them $100. So I'm only offering them 10 cents on a dollar. And someone will say, well, why would they want to do that? Because they're highly motivated emotionally or financially. This will not work with unmotivated sellers. Doesn't matter if you're talking about real estate or flipping bikes. Okay. But it will work with motivated sellers. So what I teach is, in the new flip, how to find motivated sellers, negotiate a deep, deep discount, and then bring their bicycles and resell it at a deep discount. So again, you're not going to sell the bike above the fair market price. You're not going to sell the bike at the fair market price. You're going to sell, or at least what I do is I sell the bike below the fair market price. And the reason I do that is what I call a fast transaction, a warp speed. I want to sell a bike, I want to buy a bike that's worth 500 and pay only 100 and then sell it in 24 hours or less, or sell it in 48 hours or less, or sell it in 3 days or less. And the way that I teach is to buy at a deep discount and then sell it at a discount so the bike sells in warp speed. If you don't know what warp speed is, if you're not a Star Trek fan, that means faster than light. Okay. Why do I want to sell it faster than light? Because two things. I want the velocity of money to be working for me. I want to put that $100 in and flip it for 500, or actually flip it for 400, put $300 in my pocket and keep doing it as fast as possible. And two, I don't want to sit on the bike forever. I want it to be a cash flowing business for me. And so what I do is I buy it at a deep discount and then I sell it at a deep discount. Now I've done a lot of different bikes. Let me show you some examples here. All right, now we're back. Now, the question is, you're asking yourself, well, what do you do to be able to sell this bike, Mike, that the other seller couldn't do? Very, very simple. I get into it in my course, the new flip. Plus, I give you over-the-shoulder coaching, and I answer every and all your questions. But I'll answer that here too. I don't do anything to it. All I do is wash the bike and take amazing pictures of it and write a great description. And all these three things are in my book. For the descriptions, I already have them in a copy and paste setting. You copy and paste it. How to take pictures, I have a professional photographer that tells you how to do it in the video training, right? And how to find the bikes, well, I also have a copy and paste offer letter that you just copy and paste in the offer. You don't have to negotiate because, again, it's all copy and paste for you. It's all done for you by my proven offer letters. They work. All you do is just copy and paste it, get the deal, quickly wash it, take an amazing picture, copy and paste my description, put it in there, and make profits of, I have profits of 200% all the way to 700%. That means I put $100 in, I sold it for $700. I made $600 in profits, and I also got my capital back, which was the $100. So this is the way of how to make a six-figure side hustle or business by flipping bikes. Now, I say side hustle because some people just need extra income. And I also say business because some people are looking to have a full-fledged business. With this, the new flip, you're able to do either. If you want to have a full-fledged business where you have multiple locations, you could turn this business into a full-fledged business. If you just wanted to have it as a side hustle where you make $2,000, $10,000 a month, then you could also do that. Just like what I do. I use it just as a side hustle, okay? Now, this business, what I call the new flip, I'm serving it to you on a platter. It's a copy and paste. Plus, I'm here for you to give you coaching, a lifetime coaching, one-on-one coaching. Again, lifetime one-on-one coaching to answer every and all your questions when you download my book. Just simple as that, guys. I want you to win. I want you to, because when you win, it makes me feel good inside. When I feel good inside, I can create, because you don't need money. You don't need credit. All you need is feel good and creativity. And when you feel good, or at least when I feel good, I can create. Okay? That's why I as a refugee to America, I was able to start a multi-million-dollar business with just $100, own it for 15, 14 years, debt-free, without ever borrowing money from a bank. Same way, I was able to buy homes with just $100 or $3,000 without ever borrowing money from the bank through seller financing, which is something else that I teach at my real estate dojo. But more importantly, when you download the new flip and you join me in the coaching sessions, you'll learn a lot of the skills in the new flip are exactly the same as real estate investing. Exactly. And we go so in deep into it. So if you're interested in learning about real estate, download the new flip. If you're looking for a new side hustle, download the new flip. If you're looking for a full-time business, download a new flip. If you're looking to make some cash now, download and you flip. You can do this business right from your home, right through your computer or PC or laptop. All you need is just internet, and it's only $100, ladies and gentlemen, just $100. You don't have to get into debt. You don't have to put it on your credit card. I don't like bankers. In my systems, doesn't matter if we're talking about flipping bikes, starting a moving company, which I coach on that. I coach real estate investors on fixing and flipping homes, being a landlord, buying houses subject to, wholesaling, all without banks, because I don't like stinky bankers, ladies and gentlemen. I never like stinky bankers. And my whole system, my whole philosophy is the dojo without credit, without FICO store, without begging a stinky banker to let you borrow money, because I believe that you are and myself are more powerful than a credit score. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Click the like button. Please download my course, and I'll see you in the coaching, one-on-one lifetime coaching. I answer all your questions. I want you to win, because when you win, I feel good inside, which allows me to win. Much love, guys. And always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, please.